Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The All Boots.
Alright y'all, this one is a bonus card. Today we're turning wood into the fierce Seattle Seahawks logo. And this one was just too cool not to make. Let's get into it. So I grab a blank piece of wood, trace the Seahawks logo, and fire up the scroll saw. The Seahawks logo is inspired by the Pacific Northwest vibe. Aggressive bird head, bold shapes, and an iconic blue and green colors. The design has these sharp edges and curves, so you gotta take your time on it. Carving this felt like giving wood a football identity. After the cut, sanding time. Now the colors. Seattle uses college navy, action green, and wolf gray, bold and iconic shades. You're really leaning to those colors so you can feel the identity pop. I had to give it a few coats just to make sure that the paint was being soaked by the wood. Then I finish it with that wolf gray. And here it is, the final result. This Seattle Seahawks logo came out sick. The color contrast, the shape, it is one of my favorites. And 12, where are you at? Since this was our bonus card, make sure you check out all the other team logos that I have already made. If you got another idea, drop it in the comments down below and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more builds. I hope you have enjoyed this one and I'll see you next time.